Dumpster Rental, Rocky Top, Tennessee. If you need dependable dumpster rental services in Rocky Top, Tennessee, Coker Waste Solutions is here to help. We offer a range of dumpster sizes to fit any project, whether it's a residential cleanup, commercial renovation, or construction site. With flexible rental durations and straightforward pricing, we ensure you get the right solution without surprise fees. Coker Waste Solutions prioritizes customer satisfaction, with timely delivery and pickup to keep your project on track. Our knowledgeable staff can help you choose the ideal dumpster size based on your needs and offer guidance for proper waste disposal. Committed to eco-friendly practices, we make sure all collected waste is disposed of responsibly, following local regulations to protect the environment. Conveniently based in Rocky Top, Tennessee, we serve both residential and commercial customers throughout the area. Whether you're clearing out a home, managing a construction job, or handling a big event, our reliable dumpster rental services will simplify the cleanup process. For stress-free waste management, contact Coker Waste Solutions at 865-320-0018 to schedule your dumpster rental in Rocky Top, Tennessee, and get the job done efficiently.